It is vital for our company to continue to have the shop network. I had one of our units, it went into one of our dealerships. They diagnosed it as an engine replacement. We knew that this particular truck had a certain engine component that went bad all the time. We were returned with an over $14,000 invoice. So instead we said, hey, let's go ahead and get this back to our central hub. Let's diagnose it ourselves just to double check. And then found out that it was a simple engine part that we knew was probably wrong with it. With our in-house cost, plus towing, plus the part at wholesale that we typically buy, we ended up saving $13,200. That's just one example.
There's trucks we have that go to different shops all the time. Sometimes shops try to quote us something, and I have been able to look in there and see that we've had that done recently. We just had one the other day. It was a $6,000 quote for this and that, and I was able to go in Fleetio under that vehicle and see we actually had what they were trying to quote out to us done just about 2 years ago. So we were able to catch them trying to quote us out something ridiculous, get a second opinion. I mean, we catch stuff like that all the time.
It just actually happened today. A truck broke down. That was the closest shop I could get it to. So mom and pop shop called me and says, hey, you need a battery and alternator. And I was able to look that up in Fleetio. I could check the maintenance history. Well, I literally just replaced the battery yesterday. When you have a fleet this large, when you get up into the hundreds, that wiper blade that's only $20 turns into $32,000 if you do it every single time.
The main ones that we've probably rejected the most are cabin air filters, engine air filters. We know that our team has the ability to throw in a filter, and so we just try to control as much cost as we can. I need the shop network.